Samsung is back at it again, pushing boundaries with the all-new Galaxy S25, a device that redefines flagship performance, innovation, and photography in a compact form factor. But does it live up to the hype? Let's dive deep into its features and see if it truly deserves the spotlight. But before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest tech reviews and updates. From the moment you hold it, the Galaxy S25 makes a statement with its meticulously crafted design. The aerospace-grade armor aluminum 2 frame, paired with the latest Gorilla Glass Victus 2 protection, wraps around the device in a seamless, ergonomic form that feels premium in every way. Remarkably, Samsung has achieved the impossible, making it 10% lighter at just 162 grams and an ultra-slim 7.2mm profile while actually improving durability. The IP68 certification means you can confidently take it anywhere, surviving underwater immersion up to 1.5 meters for half an hour without breaking a sweat. The stunning 6.2-inch Dynamic AMOLED 2X display is nothing short of spectacular, pushing boundaries with an eye-searing 2600 nits peak brightness that cuts through even the harshest sunlight. Every interaction feels buttery smooth thanks to the intelligent 120Hz LTPO panel that dynamically adjusts from 1 Hz to 120 Hz based on content, optimizing both fluidity and battery life. Whether you're gaming or binging your favorite shows, the HDR10+ support delivers a visual feast with perfect blacks, vibrant colors, and incredible contrast that makes every frame come alive. At its core, the Galaxy S25 boasts Qualcomm's revolutionary Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, engineered on an ultra-efficient 3nm architecture that pushes performance boundaries with blistering 4.47 GHz clock speeds. This powerhouse chipset delivers unprecedented processing velocity, next-generation AI acceleration, and remarkable energy optimization. The Silicon Marvel is complemented by a robust 12 GB of cutting-edge LPDDR5X RAM and ultra-fast UFS 4.0 storage, creating a seamless experience where apps launch instantly and multitasking feels frictionless. Graphics-intensive tasks are handled effortlessly by the formidable Adreno 830 GPU, while an advanced vapor chamber cooling system ensures sustained peak performance, letting mobile gamers enjoy marathon sessions without thermal throttling or performance dips. This thermal solution works silently in the background, maintaining optimal temperatures even when pushing the hardware to its limits. Samsung isn't just competing in mobile photography, they're rewriting the rules. The Galaxy S25's revolutionary 50-megapixel main camera combines an oversized sensor with next-gen AI processing and enhanced optical image stabilization to capture breathtaking detail that rivals professional gear. Its Nightography 2.0 system performs computational magic, transforming challenging low-light scenes into gallery-worthy shots with stunning contrast and near-zero noise. The versatile triple-camera array pushes boundaries at every focal length. A precision 10-megapixel telephoto with true 3x optical zoom delivers DSLR-like clarity for distant subjects. The upgraded 12-megapixel ultrawide captures expansive scenes with 120-degree field of view and intelligent distortion correction. All lenses work in harmony to provide seamless zoom transitions from 0.5x to 10x hybrid magnification. For videographers, the S25 is a portable production studio. 8K at 30 frames per second recording with AI-powered stabilization creates buttery-smooth footage worthy of the big screen, while advanced multi-mic array ensures theater-quality audio to match. Whether you're shooting a moonlit landscape or an action-packed vlog, this is mobile imaging at its most sophisticated. The Galaxy S25's 4000 mAh battery delivers impressive endurance, easily powering through a full day of intensive use thanks to Samsung's intelligent AI optimization that learns your habits and allocates power accordingly. Where the experience stumbles is in charging speeds. While competitors have raced ahead, the S25 sticks with 25 watts wired charging that feels decidedly last-gen in 2025. You'll get from empty to 50% in about 30 minutes, but that's hardly class-leading when rivals offer 100 watts plus solutions. The inclusion of 15-watt wireless charging maintains flagship expectations, though again, without pushing boundaries. It's a puzzling compromise in an otherwise cutting-edge device. The battery life impresses, but the recharge speeds leave power users wanting more. Now here is my final verdict. The Samsung Galaxy S25 isn't merely an incremental upgrade. It redefines what a compact flagship can achieve. This engineering marvel combines a jaw-dropping display, desktop-class performance, and professional-grade camera capabilities in a pocket-friendly form factor that lasts all day on a single charge. While the 25-watt charging feels underwhelming in an era of ultra-fast power solutions, this singular shortcoming does little to diminish what is otherwise the most complete compact smartphone experience money can buy. For creators demanding pro-level imaging, gamers seeking buttery-smooth performance, or professionals needing all-day productivity, all in a device that comfortably fits in your palm. The S25 stands alone as the new gold standard. If your priority is maximum power in minimum size, your search ends here. That's it for today's review of the Samsung Galaxy S25. Let me know what you think in the comments below. And if you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more exciting tech reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.